So I'm sieving it to remove the frass. This is how to sieve. Sieve gently so that it won't hurt them. You won't hurt them. So you see a new substrate here. So I'm decided to use this measurement so that we know the actual measurement, and I encourage you to use a container like this to measure. So I'm putting three measurements here of the substrate. So right now I want to sieve this one. What you have here is the larva, 10 days old larva.